Want to automatically track, share, and reuse content from any blog? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to convert a blog into an RSS feed and use it across your tools and platforms. First, find the blog you want to track. This could be a personal blog, a company blog, a Medium or Substack publication, or any website that publishes articles regularly. Open the blog and copy the URL of the page that lists posts. This is usually the home page or a category page. Next, open RSS.app and paste that URL into the RSS generator. Click Generate, and RSS app will scan the page and convert the latest posts into a structured RSS feed. Click Save to My Feeds. Now your feed will update automatically whenever new blog posts are published. If you want to control what appears in your feed, open the Filters section. Here you can include or exclude posts by keyword, or add custom text to the title and description. You can also adjust the total number of posts in feed output, or translate it into another language using our built-in feature, or DeepL and Google API. Once your feed is ready, you can use it in different ways. You can display the posts on your website using RSS widgets, like Newswall, Carousel, or Magazine. The widgets are ready-made, and all you have to do is copy and paste the embed code into your website builder. You can also connect the RSS to Discord, Telegram, Slack, or email to get notified whenever a new blog post is published. Or you can copy the feed XML URL and use it in your newsletters and automation tools like Zapier and N8N. And that's it. You now have a feed you can plug into your workflows, and you can repeat the same process with any content source, like news or social media. Try it today at RSS.app.